Hey everybody, this is Mike from Nerdient, and today I'm going to show you how to do quick, easy, great looking thumbnails for your YouTube videos, and how to do it using a browser, your iOS device, or your Android device. So let's not even mess around and just jump right into it. Now, to make these thumbnails for YouTube, we're going to be using Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark is free to use. There are some premium packages and things like that, but the free version is all you need to make these thumbnails. So the first thing you want to do is go to spark.adobe.com. Now, if you have an Adobe account, just sign in. If you don't, just create an account. After that, go ahead and download the Spark app for your iOS device or Android device. Next, I'm going to grab a thumbnail from my video. I'm using Adobe Premiere, but however you want to grab the screenshot, it's totally up to you. So I'm going to scrub around on this video that I still need to make a thumbnail for and find a nice shot. Yeah, we'll go with that. And save my thumbnail. Alright, we've got our screenshot. Now I'm going to head back to the Adobe Spark webpage. I'm going to go ahead and click on the plus here to start a new post. So we're going to select post and then start from scratch. Now, right here, you can just go ahead and select YouTube thumbnail. Hit next. Now here it's going to give you the option to choose your photo. We don't want to do that. We've got a nice screenshot that we've taken of our video. So we're going to go find that little screenshot that we took and upload it. Hit next. Wait for the website to think. And here we go. So it's almost always going to start out with a generic text box, and go ahead and type in what you want to type for your title on your video. Okay, so now you can do so many things from here. So obviously, this doesn't look like the way we want it to look. So first thing I'm going to do is go down here and select Style. Now, take this awesome little wheel and just start spinning until you find something that you think you like. Kind of like that. Now I'm just going to do a resize. Kind of like that, although it doesn't quite stand out enough for me, so I'm going to change the opacity. There we go. Bam, I'm done. Although, let's see. What if we did something like that? There we go. I kind of like that. And bam, we're done. So now, I'm going to name it. And I'm done. Now I'm just going to simply hit the download button, save it, and then I'll head over to YouTube and upload it for my video. Once you're done with the first one, you can go back here to projects and you'll find all your projects. So let's say you like this look and you really always want to keep this look for every single video you do. So to make another one, simply come here, select duplicate. Let's say I want to do a different drone video. Holland, Michigan beach. All right. Now we can go to your duplicate, edit, and replace the picture. You can upload. You can use Google Photos, whatever you want. So let's just upload a photo, and we're going to take this one. change my text. There you go, done. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the app version of Adobe Spark. Now I'm going to show you the iPad version, but the Android version is virtually the same. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have the photo that you want for your YouTube thumbnail. Now I'm going to launch Adobe Spark. Then I'm going to click the plus and hit a solid color. I'm going to choose a white background, hit next, choose the YouTube thumbnail, hit done. Now I'm going to hit the photo icon up there, choose photo library, go to my photos, find the photo that I cropped, hit done. Now again, I can click this, change the text, hit done, and then again I can just go to my style, turn my style button kind of like that. It's not bad. Put that there, hit done. That's it. Hit share. I'm going to save image. Now I'm going to go to my YouTube studio, find my photo, hit change, and that's it. That's all you need to make a quick, great looking, free thumbnail for your YouTube video. Now of course that's just scratching the surface of what Adobe Spark can do, but if you're looking for a quick way to make a YouTube thumbnail, it's the best tool that I've found. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.